Ow. I got hit by that.
Biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Yeah, well, I'm dissecting a lot more than frogs.
That's gross.
That's pretty funny. I admit, that's pretty funny.
Oh man.
Why would you run to him? Get you some of the flash. I love the flash. Flashy. Fly. Is that the teacher? She doesn't have a health bar, but I think she's a teacher. I killed her. Whatever she was. She's dead. Maybe she was just a sub. So, why can't I hit that one? This day was completely unexpected. Yeah, because if you expected this day, you're the weirdest freak in history. Give me a lollipop, bitch.
Oh well. Time to roll out.
What are you cheering me on? Get out of here. I can do this on my own. Stop counting. You're making me painfully aware of how bad or how I'm doing. Come back to me, my boyfriend. I love you. Excuse me, ma'am? Please stop shooting. Please stop shooting. Please stop shooting. Stephanie. Excuse me, ma'am? You want to see what I can do with my chainsaw? Called Flash. 1, 2, 3. And, oh, you son of a... It's just 3 hits. Oh, stabbed. Right in the back, Stephanie. Stop shooting me! It's pissing me off. Okay, what? That was unnecessary. What did Carrot Top ever do to you? Cut you. Ooh, right in the face. There's the Flash. What? No, jump! There we go. Here's some more of the Flash. Dead. How's it feel to lose to the Flash? Chopshop.com. I'm gonna go to that website after I'm done with this video. Whoa. Beat Dad's high score on leaderboards to earn special rewards. Thanks for these. Ooh, give me some of that gold! So I can buy my health up for 10% permanently. So I can have 130% health. Unless it stacks on top of the other 10%, and then I have like 100 and... I don't feel like doing math at the moment. Ooh! Ooh, no! Get off of me, I'm gonna hit you! I'm gonna murder you! I'm a maniac! Get out of my... I will vault you so hard. Yeah, right up the middle. Get you some of that rainbow. Get you some double rainbow, boy. That's 2. There's some Flash. There's some more Flash. You guys like the Flash, don't you? Do the zombies ever stop? They have bombs. Bomba, bomba, bomba. They have fires. Ooh. That was easy. I think that's all of them. They have bombs. Don't send more in yet. I haven't got to open all the lockers yet. Come on. You're being really immature. Yeah, exactly. He's being immature, isn't he, Juliet? I think so. Get off me. Oh my god. Give me a lollipop. I'm glad they give you so many lollipops. Yeah, you get to get cut in half. That's right. So do you. Oh yeah. Cut your guitar player. You guys pay me a song. Did you put that away?
It's irritating.
Why would you acknowledge that and put it in your game, Suda51? I hate you. I like how you acknowledge things and don't care. You're just like, yeah, that's something that's going in anyway. Cut your dang tank off of you, boy. You want some of the flash? You want some of the... Ooh, there's the flash for you, buddy. Ooh, yeah. And now you're giving me the flash, aka them gold coins. Cut the lockers open. Yeah, that's right. All flash, all day, all flash. Ooh. Give me some more to flip. Would you swing the other way? Yeah, that's right. All flash, all day, baby. What am I talking about? A chop shop. Right after the loading screen. I think I want to get this. Oh, my hand, my hand. Yeah, give me that. Fruit poop juice. What is homing distance? Do I get to shoot things later? Donkey fruit crepe.
What should I get?
Do I have any new costumes yet? Ooh. Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. That song is going to get stuck in my head. What? That is a weird thing to say. I think he just worded that perfectly, because I would not have had anything better to say about it. This stage is going on for a long time.
Ah, Juliet! One moment!
Juliet! That's racist. I bet Suda Goichi did that himself. Or Suda51. Wow. Sushi Master Morikawa. Irashai!
Juliet! It looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
Why are you mooning him?
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing.
Oh, you're showing him your head.
Ever.
Correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosive, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world, and the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and a rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Fortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Oh my god. There was something about that whole scene that just made me want to laugh really obnoxiously, but I didn't want to miss anything. Jill, happy birthday. Happy birthday, I saw your panties. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, this would be a good time for this. Yeah, I got 6 platinum meters. Platinum meters. How many was that? 4. 4 zombies. Ooh, I got 3 there. Man, I just like tripled my medals. My platinum meters.
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't make me fly.